Me na no verse. I need to drink this thing. Today we won't settle the fight. Statically typed language or dynamically typed language. Which one you think say you supposed to use? In that case, and which one you supposed to learn first as a beginner? Oh yeah, they with me.
May God not allow them, may them kill you.
Okay, so first break them down. When they say statically typed, it just means say you must declare your variable type before you use them. It means some other things because we're going to talk say compile and blah 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 runtime and compile time. But of course, this one will keep them very simple. So it just means say you must declare your variable type before you use them. For example, look this code for my screen. This one I mean say no be say H we do anything, no. Na number or na string or nothing. So it's either na number or na nothing. But dynamically typed languages like JavaScript, for example, or maybe Python. If you do like this, you see age equal to 25, we don't need to say int. We don't even need to tell them the type where it be. You go judge the nodded like, I no go judge you. We listen, we don't judge. Do whatever you want. Use what you want. Everyone deserves a chance. But now here this is where the wahala they start. Statically typed languages like Java, C#, C++, TypeScript. Then be like that your strict mathematics teacher. They will say write your working, label your diagram, show your working, you know that kind of thing. Meanwhile, the dynamically typed language like Python, JavaScript, etc. They be like that your cool guy teacher, that your calm teacher. They will say express yourself, darling. Don't stress the syntax. If na public school you go, Baba, no be so they'll flog way they come out for your brain. But when your code base don't big, let's say like banking software, fintech, or just any serious backend system, now that strict teacher so go save your head. Because small mistake for the dynamic work like this, fit crash production on a Monday morning. I know say some people will come for me, say that example now no sharp, na sabi. But people go come talk say dynamically typed language now they are easy to start learning. They very easy for every beginner. Yes, Python and JavaScript they sweet to start with. Yes, truly. No wahala, no semicolon headache, everything just. Especially Python, just indent your code, arrange and wear. But my guy, if you want to build strong foundation, I for say future proof, but Python guys will come for me, but let's just stop at strong foundation. Start with a statically typed language. Because guess what? Even dynamically typed languages don't they even move towards static typing. For example, JavaScript can't get TypeScript, abi? Python get type hints or MyPy. Even Ruby don't get sorbet, you see? So the work comes like say that they move gradually from dynamic to static, not the other way around. See my roadmap if you just they start. Me, this is my opinion. Start with TypeScript, actually. It gets with entry point, now the same syntax with JavaScript, at least 90%, but it just gets strong typing. Then learn Python because it go help you understand flexibility or an AI or data science word, you grab. Then pick Go or Rust. This one's now for performance, you know, those cloud things. And all those kind of system levels skills now, you understand? All these ones sit down for there well. Na see, I no mention .NET and Java today, because they will still come quarrel me. So more will just settle on once and for all. If you want quick result and easy entry, start with dynamic. But if you want discipline, clean code, maybe clean code na wrong example because they can come for me anytime. Anyways, discipline, clean code, and future relevance, I talk on. Start with statically typed language because dynamic languages go truly teach you how to code. Yes, truly. But static languages, they go teach you how to engineer. Another topic for another day. So choose your fighter wisely. Static equal to discipline. Dynamic equal to freedom. Pick the one where your own demon where you want fight with. But me, I choose the one where no go give me heart attack. Anyways, bye.